Yawning is a complex and intriguing behavior that has puzzled scientists for years. Scientists aren't entirely sure why we yawn, but they have some interesting theories. Being tired is one reason, but boredom and even a need for more oxygen might also trigger a yawn. Some even suggest it helps cool the brain. Here's the cool part: yawning is contagious. When you see someone yawn, your brain might just make you do it too. It's a fascinating social phenomenon. It's not just us, even dogs and chimps do this. This behavior is observed across many species. A typical yawn lasts about 6 seconds and we do it about 20 times a day. Pretty wild, right? That's a lot of yawning.